That is for 500. Ah, boy. But if I'm Mr. Sweet, I'm Madam Sweet, I don't agree you. No, you said it to 500. I never give her money. You know that mama? Eh? You know that mama? That mama where that place where Angel they buy granite for me. That place where Angel they buy granite for me. It's from Angel in the video. That place where Angel they buy granite for me. Oh, they got fair when I aqua. So that mama where they put something for that table, they put plantain for front. They pack car. After that, you go get where they fry yam. After that, you get where they fry yam. And now go and bring something and bring water for me. I wash them before I go touch this water. No, they like carry hand. Why I never wash? Go and bring water for me fast. They like touch with I want. Like food like this. And me, I know there's a big cooler like this hot. Be fast about it too. Maybe I never wash and I don't wash it. So I won't touch the coconut. Let me know that let me person the beep something for me. Let me hand the touch.